Kusengcupheni ukusebenzisana kwe-DA kanye namanye amaqembu ombusazwe uma kugcina kungavunyelwananga ngesabelomali sikazwelonke. Iqembu i-DA KwaZulu-Natal lithi aliyindawo okwamanje.
We certainly haven't thrown out the baby with the bathwater or said that we are going to be leaving the government of provincial unity. We're still here, we're still working.
Leli qembu lithi angeke linikele ngesifundazwe ku-MK Party ne-EFF.
The balance of power in the province is 1 seat, 2 seats at most, to give the opposition the power in the province. That means we will hand over this province to the MK and the EFF. And we've made it very clear. I think all parties in the government of provincial unity have made it very clear that's not an option.
Leli qembu lithi liyasemukela isinyathelo esithathwe amaqembu ehlukene ezombusazwe mayelana nesabelomali, kodwa ke lithi ungabibikho kozinzo ngaphakathi kwamaqembu kungabeka engcupheni uhulumeni wobambiswano. Njengoba i-DA ichitha eyokwenyuswa kwe-VAT kodwa i-ANC isigunyazile, lokhu ke sekuqubule imibuzo mayelana nokuthi ingabe lamaqembu omabili i-ANC kanye ne-DA azosebenzisana kanjani ndawonye.